open up your console lid. You're going to locate your series of Phillips head screws around the perimeter here. I'm going to start with our 2 top ones here. There's a couple down in the middle here. Right on the other side of it, you're going to find your 4th screw. And once you remove that there, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your lever, flip it up, and pull up. That's going to cause us to telescope, and you're going to be able to get access to the lower ones here. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our center one right here. We can go ahead and we're going to peel our cover up. Work that up and off. Now the back side of your lid right here, that should line up with our little tab poking up on the back. Work the cover down into place. And then we can go ahead and lift that up again. Let's go ahead and start installing your screws. Just going to do the reverse procedure when we took them out.